Assalamu alaikum. Number. What is number? It's just a mathematical concept which is used to represent a quantity or value. We can't sit with the number concept itself. We need some numerals or symbols to visualize the numbers. And that's where the base 10 system, Hindu Arabic numerals, comes into the story. 10 base, and this was discovered by Hindus but improved by Arabs. I'll just skip the lecture. It, there are only 10 digits 10 digits, which is 0 to 9, to cover all the numbers in the number system. There are different types of numbers. Natural number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's natural number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Just add the 0, it is whole numbers. It was first natural numbers, now it is whole numbers. Now complete the line with some minus. Minus 1, minus 2. It is now integers. So basically, in a number line, the 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, this part is natural number, adding 0 is whole number, and the whole part is integers. Then there is fractions, which is like 1 by 2, 3 by 2, but there are also rational numbers, which is like 3.14, and even 5 by 7 is rational number. The difference between rational number and fractions is the fraction is p by q and the rational numbers can be p by q. Or do you remember p by q? Like 2 by 1, 5 by 2. It's already p by q, p by q. But the rational numbers like 5.2 can be 52 by 10. It can be fraction, it can be p by q, and the fraction is already p by q, and that's the big difference. And you can just say it like easily, p by q and can be p by q. If there is a rational number, there must be irrational number. Our root 5 is irrational, root 3 is irrational, pi is irrational, cause there we don't know how, why will it stop 3.14159. It just goes on and on, it does not repeat. So these are irrational number, and all the numbers you have seen this far are real numbers. Real, because they are real. So if there is real, there is unreal. In mathematics, it's not unreal, it's imaginary number, which is I. No, not first I. We have root 5. But if we add the minus, there is square root of minus 5. So we cannot measure this number. So that's why mathematicians came with this idea to minus 1 into 5, then root 5 into root over minus 1, square root of minus 1. And that's my friend, which is called square root of minus 1 equals to I. Square root of minus 1 equals to I. Then I square, if you just square it, is minus 1. Now focus, there is a very interesting things happening here. I equals to square root of minus 1, I square equals to minus 1, I cube equals to I square into I, minus 1 into I, minus I. Then I square is equal to minus 1, then I to the power 4 equals to minus 1 into minus 1, 1. So you can see 1 equals to square root of minus 1, I square equals to minus 1, I cube equals to I, and I to the power 4 equals to 1. Now, if you just take any number, I to the power 25, just use my method, 4 to the power n plus a. 4 to the power, not 4 to the power, I to the power 4n plus a. Always measure the a. Now let me demonstrate. 25, 4 times 6, 4 into 6 plus 1 is 25. Let's skip this part. I1 is this one, then it means its answer is I. Now I to the power 27. 4 into then again 6 plus 3. I3 is minus I. Another example, I to the power 37. I to the power 4 into 9 plus 1. I1 is equal to minus 1. Whenever if you just divide it by 4 and the extra 1 is this, 2 is this, 3 is this, 4 is this. It's just easy. Try it at home, you will get this in no time. Now, why we how we use the imaginary number? It's called complex number. Complex. Its basic rule is a plus ib. A is the real part, ib is the imaginary part. AB are real numbers, but I is the imaginary number. Example, 5 plus I4. 5 is real, 4 is real, I is imaginary. This is real part, this is imaginary part. So simple. And this conclude the lesson. Complex number are just the mixture of real and real, or what should I say, imaginary, not unreal. That's for the class. I will give another lecture another time because I'm very nervous right now. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.